Hey there everybody, it's Jasper with Boys and Girls Club of Contra Costa. We got another zucchini recipe, one of 5 different ways that you can cook zucchini, and this is a really fun one. Now, if you're a fan of pizza like I am, you're gonna be really surprised because today we are going to make a zucchini pizza crust. You don't think that's gonna be tasting good? Vegetables for a pizza crust? You're gonna be surprised. Let's take a look.
A whole zucchini. You're gonna need a clove of garlic, just one of those. Mozzarella cheese, shredded. Oregano, garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Parmesan cheese, but you're gonna grate that into a cup's worth. An egg, but if you don't want to use an egg, we have a perfectly good substitute. Get yourself some cornstarch. Mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch with 3 tablespoons of liquid. In our savory pizza, that liquid is probably going to be water. If you're making a dessert, maybe that liquid is a little bit of milk, soy, whatever kind of milk or something like that. Just 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 3 tablespoons of water mixed together. You get yourself 1 egg's worth of sticky goodness. Pizza sauce. What kind of pizza would be complete without pepperoni to top it off, huh? You're gonna want yourself a bowl to mix everything up, and you are going to want a grater, a big one if you can, something with the big sharp sides here, because we are actually going to grate this zucchini. We're gonna make 1 cup's worth, and what you're gonna want to do is we're gonna grate all of this onto a towel that you do not care about. All right. Remember our garlic clove? Or what we do, we chop off the end. Or we're cutting away from our fingers. Add our egg or our cornstarch mixture in here now too. We're going to want to add our oregano. Our garlic. Salt and pepper. Now we're also going to add our Parmesan cheese.
A few moments later.
What? It's hard to hold on to a slice of this stuff. It was delicious. All right, well that was it for our pizza crust that was made with zucchini. If you guys like this, I hope that you send a like and a subscribe to this episode. And you need to always remember, the most important ingredient in any recipe is you. All right, guys? Take care, everybody. Good to have you. See you next time.